Welcome to the Learn Biology podcast, where we break down complex biological concepts and make them easy to understand. In this episode, we're going to be talking about the Lac Operon, a genetic regulatory system found in bacteria that controls the expression of genes involved in the metabolism of lactose. Let's dive in. The Lac Operon is a genetic regulatory system found in bacteria. It controls the expression of genes involved in the metabolism of lactose, a sugar found in milk. The operon is made up of three structural genes, LAC-C, LAC-Y, and LAC-A, and a regulatory gene, LAC-A. The LAC-C gene codes for the production of beta-galactosidase, an enzyme that breaks down lactose into glucose and galactose. The LAC-Y gene codes for the production of a transport protein called lactose permease, which helps the bacteria take up lactose from the environment. The LAC-A gene codes for the production of an enzyme called transacetylase, which is not essential for lactose metabolism but helps the bacteria use other sugars as well. But how does the bacteria know when lactose is present in the environment? This is where the LAC-I gene comes in. It codes for the production of a repressor protein, which binds to a specific region of the operon called the operator and prevents the transcription of the structural genes. In the absence of lactose, the repressor is active and the structural genes are not expressed. However, when lactose is present, it can bind to the repressor and cause a conformational change that prevents it from binding to the operator. This allows the structural genes to be transcribed and the enzymes for lactose metabolism to be produced. This mechanism of gene regulation is called negative feedback inhibition. It ensures that the bacteria only produce the enzymes for lactose metabolism when it is present in the environment, conserving energy and resources. The Lac Operon is a classic example of gene regulation in prokaryotes and has been widely studied in molecular biology and biochemistry. It also has practical applications in genetic engineering and biotechnology. So there you have it. The Lac Operon is a great example of how bacteria can sense and respond to environmental changes. It's also a great example of negative feedback inhibition and how a single genetic system can control multiple genes' expression. This is just a brief overview of the Lac Operon, but hopefully it gave you a better understanding of the concept. Join us next time on the Learn Biology podcast for more exciting topics in the world of biology. Thank you for listening to the Learn Biology podcast. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.